Hi, everyone. With the latest mobile app release, Orange HRM has added the goal management feature to the mobile app. Tracking and measuring goals are now made possible using your fingertips with the introduction of goal management to the mobile app. To access the goal management feature, first, log into the system. From the menu screen, choose My Goals under the Goals menu item. In the My Goals section, you can see all the goal, sub-goal, and OKRs that are assigned to you. All your unapproved goals, sub-goal, and OKRs can be seen here in the unapproved list. You cannot update the progress of these goals, sub-goals, or OKRs till your supervisor approves them. From the Goals List view, an identification is given here to easily identify what type of goal or objective it is. Next, we can see the due date. Here you will see the name of the goal, sub-goal, or OKR. Here, you can see if this is an organizational or individual goal and the priority level. On the right side of the screen, you can see the progress and the status of the goal, sub-goal, and OKRs. To delete a goal, swipe left on the goal to delete the selected goal. If you wish to narrow down your search from the list view, you can use the filter option from the top right corner. Define your search prompts here and click Search, or you can also reset the added details. Employees can add goals, sub-goals, and OKRs to themselves by clicking the plus button here. Select goal or object fill in all the required details here and submit. Now the goal and OKRs will be sent to your supervisor for approval. To create a sub-goal, click on the goal for which you wish to create the sub-goal. Click on the plus button. Fill in the required details and click Save. To create a key result, click on the objective for which you wish to create the key result. Click on the key result. Fill in the required details and click Save. To get a detailed view of each goal, sub-goal, or OKR from the list, simply tap on it. Here you can see all the details, including the sub-goals, comments added by the supervisors, and any attachments. You can also update the progress of the goals, sub-goals, and key results from here. Please note that you cannot update the objectives manually. Objectives are automatically updated after the assigned key results are updated. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.